Here I've got LG K50 and let me show you how to block a number on the following device. So at first let's open the phone dialer, then click on the more icon, which is 3 dots 1 in the right upper corner, and select call settings. Now click on call blocking and decline with message, and then go to blocked numbers. And here simply by tapping on plus, you can add some number from contacts, call logs, or simply new number, and this is what I will do right now. And enter the number that you would like to block, then click on block, and that's it. As you can see now, this number will not be able to reach you, so you will not receive any call or message from blocked number. Then if you would like to remove a number from your blacklist, simply click on the bin icon and click on remove. And that would be all. This is how you can quickly and easily block some unknown number in your LG K50. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.